So let's start it with Windows. First create a batch file, new text document and name test.bat. Now edit with notepad. Add first line @echo of. Now select color. I choose green, so I enter color 2. Now enter label. Start echo percentage random random for a random string generate. Now type anything like egged again random. Egged by whatever. Copy and paste it 2-3 times. At the end, go to start for repeating the process. Save it and run this file. Now guys, start with Linux. First open your terminal. I am zooming Ctrl+Shift+. Now enter sudo apt get install CMatrix. Enter your password. Now type CMatrix. If you want colorful matrix, then type sudo apt get install lolcat. Enter your password.
Type CMatrix 5 lolcat and hit enter.
If you like this, then click like and subscribe our channel.